E malama kaua. A ole kaua hele ko Leila.
Hey! Get your filthy hands off my ankle! Leave it alone! Put it down! Leave it alone! Hey!
The story I need to tell you is true. I offer and dedicate it to my people, with whom I shared the same bone, the same blood, the native Hawaiian. Aloha is that pearl beyond all else in life. Aloha is remembrance for the days we walked in beauty as children of the land. His name was Ko'olau, meaning stands against the wind. We had been together and in love since we were children indeed. And we grew our precious family here, at our birth sands on this island of Kauai. There is a season for the gentle breezes. There is a season for the blustery winds. There is a season for the rains to drench. There is a season for all the seasons.
Papa, pula paya oi ike kanalu au ikau. Ue lua oi ki maluna o kalele ana o ke kola.
Oka. Ua puka ka ia mai waho ke kai mai.
E Clay, e hoi koke I ke nā papa he nalu. A ho mākau no ka aina ahiahi.
E nana e papa o Jonathan Stoltz. Ue e nalu pū oi I kalai. Aloha.
Aloha, Jonathan.
How's your father?
He's fine, thank you. Did you hear? The new government has given him a promotion.
I heard.
Uncle, your hand! I have to go.
Nakaiya.
O vai ho Jonathan Stoltz I kona papa he nalu.
No ke hala oi I lawe mai ai I ke nā keki kane maanei. Maupo poia oi. A ole hiki a oi ke pili me ke kahi kanaka o lawe mai ka ale.
Ua noi oia I ua hiki ke hele I he muki. I ko ana kala pāpipi. A ole I maupopo hea la e lelo ai.
O ke nā pālule, ko pālule hale pule. A ole kupono no ke kai.
A ka ho eha kala au I ku ili.
Maupopo ia'u. Hono no oi komo e kekahi mea. E hele aku no oi. E ho'omaʻemaʻe. A mai komo hou I kēia palule no ka he enalu. Ma ka wau ke āai nei kau ke kahi. A ole au e ai I kēia mai pake e kau I ko ukule ana ma ke anohe ma koine. A e waine. I nā ualoa a olua. Ualoa a pau wau ke kahi. I nā a ole I kēia la. A pōpō paha. I kēia pulea e. I kēia mahina e.
Ole, no!
Ke o oku I kēia mau mea. Mama. E mama. No ke ai ho'opulu ho'i ka wai maka I kou papalina. Nola ko. Liki no kala ko hana me na mea e.
O makau. E ha'alele I uka I ka puka ana o kala. Na ue walao me ana kala. Au he mea nana. E ho ka awale I nei ia o hana. Au he mea.
If anyone asks, I'm going to tell them you're rounding up strays. Up Mauka. You take whatever you need from the pantry. Anything. And tell your boy he can have all the lights he can carry. Only no grumble to me if he gets the runs.
Mahalo nui loa, Uncle.
Give my aloha to your ohana. My prayers are with you, son. My prayers are with you.
Word is you got it, boy.
Kola.
Get up. Real slow. That's it. All right, everyone stay calm. Listen to the sheriff. Calm down, son.
Man, sorry to barge in on you like this in the middle of the night. It looks like it's a good thing we came when we did. My. How you've grown. My boy says he hasn't seen you in school in a long time. I can't say I've seen you or the missus at church in quite a spell.
It's been reported you're showing signs of leprosy.
Is that true, Kolo? If you don't answer, I will assume that you are sick. Which requires me to inspect you and any and all of those potentially exposed. We are here by written order of President Dole of the Republic of Hawaii.
We don't speak that shit! Speak English, boy.
Show me.
Oh. He's got it all right. Sure as shit. Not a doubt in the world.
I'm sorry, Pi'ilani. We have to see you too.
She looks clean.
Real clean.
Yeah, that's good news. All right, man, we can get dressed.
Did you kid?
No, please.
Listen to Uncle.
All in no oiko on a color.
Clean! Oh, yeah, right there. He's got it too.
Kalua'i Ko'olau. We are required by law to take you and your son Kalemanu to the designated quarantine area for immediate transport.
No. Then I will go with them.
No.
Ma'am, you show no signs of...
I am permitted to go with my family as a kokua, a helper.
as the ancient law declares.
Absolutely not. The new government does not allow it. Only those with the sickness will be taken, and no one else. You're young and pretty. You'll have no problem finding another. Start over. That's it. All right, get him dressed. Tie him up. Come on, son, don't make a fuss.
Stop!
Evening, Sheriff. I never know your new job promotion included rounding up women and children in the middle of the night.
Reporting that thing in the law, man. And I'm carrying out the law.
What kind of law, man? And what kind of law takes away citizens in the dark of night, especially with the likes of these vermin?
There's only one of you, old man, and 3 of us.
This here's buckshot. And if I know Ko'olau, he'd gladly take a hit for his family. Can't say the same for your lot.
These here men have been deputized. And they're doing these islands a service.
A service? Ha!
This boy, he could have given it to my son.
This boy is family. And I'll be damned if I'm gonna let you take him and his pa anywhere. Now you folks get off my ranch.
I gave you every opportunity, Sinclair.
Get off me! You bastard!
Don't go now. You gotta go now, son. Any thoughts you had of them leaving you alone just gonna die with the sheriff? They're gonna come at you with one army. Go! Go now!
With me, my husband, Ko'olau. With me, my child, Kalei. With me, until the bones are laid to rest. With me, until the final disappearance.
kale. Ono kako e aloha kuya. Ono lawa ole hua.
Kai, Papa. Aole hiki ke waiho wali a laua.
Ma lawa i ke ala e ko. Ana kalawai.
Mai hopo e pono. E mālama mai kai ana kale a oe.
E pono e. E pono e. Hele! Hele. Hele.
Kuko oi laila ne. No, kuko no.
E uhaile ana la kona kaua.
E hoa o ana lako. Ei, kalamai no na mea I iki ai.
Hau oli au I ko ho'o make ana I nā haole. Mana o ina au I nā haole.
E ahala ka haole.
O ke kanaka ili kea.
O ka mana o ka haole. Ao he hā. Ao he wailua. He haole o ana kala. Mai ai ka ino I loko o kou uwai e ka ukikani. E le ku ana. Ta laila e lilo ana oi ka mea au I mana oi ino ai. Ao he wailua. Ao he hā. Mahalo I ka mea nā I hana. A ole oi I mai. O pio no oi. He ui vale no.
Hii poi mai ia'u e ku'ukane. E alo pū me a'u.
na. Ono au I ke kane. Makani oya.
Papa.
Ele ya mama.
Time for you to earn that new badge, Marshal. Prove that you are not a disappointment.
Kohalau knows this land. I wouldn't underestimate him.
Yes, we'll hear the firepower and the numbers. You are here to show us the way, Marshal. There's a good man. Sergeant Grimes! Prepare to climb!
Sir, now, sir!
Yes, now, man!
Yes, sir! You are the Captain Climb!
You know, we wouldn't be in this hell had your people not brought that damn disease here in the first place.
What about the diseases your people brought to the island?
Did you say something to me?
Malaria, typhoid, syphilis.
So you want to earn a penny? You better shut the hell up. And move your yellow ass. Now pull! Pull!
Ua maupopo kako e hele mai ana ia ne'i e ko'olau. I ka pu'u honua. Ko kako pu'u honua.
Ua hai, ke kahi mea ia hoi.
Ona manu kai vale no. E ka kali nei kako e make. He aha laka pilikia. A ole I mai e ke ia'u me ko'u I hu'u pepe ole.
E paua.
Ko lau.
Ke aha oi, I hele mai I nei.
Mana I no ai ole mamolokai. E like me oe, kai kua ana. E ku e kana wai no oi ke au puni ho. A mako pu ke kahi.
E ko lau.
Judge Koi.
Oh no, e ku kai kua ana. Upakele no I ka o Juliana. O hea mai ke ko kia I la hui. Ke ala kai nei ka pena makei. Ka me e kaua ku loko. Aia me ia. O Marshall Hitchcock. I ka maaina. I ke ia mau ava. Ka pa ia I ke ia. O ka huli. O hila oi e pera ki kena tō. A mea kona au puni ho. Kapa ia oi. E me pepehi e kanaka. Kapa ia o nā Hawaii. E me o nā pali o Kalarau.
A ole o lau e lua. E kaluna kana wai. Ua hele mai maa nei. E malama I ko uana. Ua hoa pakele.
Ko hana. O ka kou. A pau. O ke ave. Ka makuahine e hā ke ki kane I kaika. Ka wahine a ke kahakai.
Ua lawe mai I ka mea. Ka ua. Me. Mele aloha.
Ke ia. O kamu. O ho'o maa. Ia oia. O ke kawa ana.
Captain, I tracked him to a lava tube on the other side of the ravine.
Gunnery Sergeant, prepare to roll!
Yes, sir, right away.
Babcock, you and your men guard their rear.
Captain, may I advise a more stealthy approach? Those lava tubes, they run for miles with many exits. They could easily escape.
Yes, thank you, Marshal. May I remind you that you are here to track, not advise. Be sure it's away now. There's a good man.
Yes, sir.
Sergeant Grimes!
Yes, sir.
Pull your men up on the right double time. We'll flush in from these caves and cliffs. Run him hard!
Honolulu rifles! On me!
We're gonna take up the rear.
Wana. Ke kai uru he la au lapa au no. Mai nia. He kina. He ola wahi e ki kahi mau mea.
Pehea loa o manei.
Ke hele mai nei he kanaka. Ka paia o patch. Manaulana wao. O ia ka me lave mai. I ka laau.
O he nui ka manawa.
Ke ia manawa pono, I ka pule, ma mua, o ki kanawai.
Make oi, liloi, ko mako kahuna.
Ka kipi hopa. Ka kipi hopa, e wawa, horo koa.
Pehea o aki lepa.
O ka mea mua ai pono oe hana e ka ele makule. E kiloi ke nā papale. Pono no oi. He papale aki lepa. Aki lepa. Aki lepa. Aki lepa. Aki
Fire!
Yes, sir.
E hele o loko lo, na ue ala kai e, ia lako.
Hei mapu, kakako! E kau anō!
E uhaile aku.
Leo ko laula, ke kai kwa hine, a ole pu.
Kale! E kale!
Ai a paha ia, I loko lo mea na kanaka iae.
Up there! Sergeant Grimes! I need every rifle up there! Forward! Babcock, you and your men scout that perimeter and then circle back here. Marshal, watch out flank!
Forward!
Please, you get to take that back to the camp.
Where is that leper bastard?
Sergeant Grimes, send for more munitions. Prepare your men to fan out.
Anderson! Sir? Make your way back to the ship. We'll need it all.
Forward!
Where is your family?
I'll not tell my enemy where my family is.
No, no, no. I am not your enemy.
Then why are you here at that haole?
I only carry the white man's things for pay, to feed my family.
So, you're hoping the haole kill my family to help your family?
No. We're here to bring you to another place, so the disease will not spread.
My father said the sickness will not spread if we stay in the valley. He has told me we need to be brave, and the Creator will protect us.
Your father is right. You are very brave.
Hey, over here! There's one in the tree! Get that son of a bitch!
You have to come down now, for your own safety, please. Hurry, hurry! I am not your enemy. They are your enemy. Please, trust me. Come down.
There he is! Go get him, boy!
Come on, boys! Move! Over here! We've got the bastard! Forward, boys! Forward! Come on!
What you did to my son?
No, 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 no. He fell from a tree. The rest of them, they're coming. The white men are close. Go, go, go.
Here we go, boys! Get him! Come on, boys!
Arrest that man! Put him on the leper boat!
I don't have leprosy. I'm not going to that place.
Don't make those boys carry you.
Captain, please.
Get it off me! Get it off!
Hele paha la koi keia manawa.
No ke hala ko e hele aku.
A ole la ko e lana kila. E ne e hope ana la ko. A hoi aku la ko.
Ne e hope la ko. A ka a ole vaiho la ko. A ole e hoi aku.
Ina he vai ko la ko ola. E hoi aku no.
A ole loa la ko e vaiho ki a ka manuhia. Ma popo nei oi. Ia la ko ua maki no ka ko. Ia la ko ua maki kei a ina. A hoe vai lua no la ko. Na la ko ke kūpeli no ke kopa. O ke kāla. He mai kapa ia, he pi. A ua ho o moi ka mai I mā luna o kako.
E make ana wau.
Ua lohe ne oi, I ka olelo a kaluna kana vai. Ela au no. Eloa a koke ana no kako.
Captain, the tropics are not kind to an unattended wound. You should head back to Honolulu. Get proper medical attention.
He's watching us, Marshal. Can you feel it? He is watching us right now. Find where he watches us from. And wait.
Beautiful view, eh, Marshal? I used to come here, right to this place, when I was a kid. My papa too, and his papa. You have children, yeah?
I had 5 daughters. We lost 2. Malaria.
This is a good place to remember your girls. Marshal, what you doing with those people? You was born in these islands, and now you're serving the people who have stolen them.
I am sworn to uphold the law. That is all.
Even when the laws are changed by men with their own agenda. Then what would you do if you was in my saddle?
Come with me now, and I promise you and your son safe passage to Molokai.
The island of the living grave. And what of my wife? What of the bonds we made before the Creator? Who are you to break such bonds?
Captain McCabe made a name for himself by hunting down and killing the renegade Quintrell. And now you are the trophy he obsesses, and he will not stop until you are dead.
My son, my wife, they are afraid of this Captain McKay. I am not. I will defend them. Till the end.
I would expect nothing less, sir.
Aloha, Marshal.
Aloha, koala.
You're surrounded! Drop your weapon! Call out! Put your weapon on the ground! Remember me! Hold your fire! Call out!
Holy!
A woman and child! Hold up! Hold your fire! Hold your fire! Ammo! Give me ammo!
Loa ki ave, ua haawi oia I iaku I karapu.
Tia! What happened here? You were supposed to drive him to me!
There was a woman and child in the line of fire.
You mean you had them in your sights and you hesitated? Bloody hell.
Rendezvous at the camp, now!
Oi ke mako I nā koe malu nei, e uko ke kahawai. He pāhele no ia. Ua ho'ono lako, he pāhele no. E hane oi.
O kipu oi.
Aole.
Nā oi. E nā ana lako I nā he keiki kani oi. Oi!
Ua hoa lako e pepeia maki a oi, papa. Ua make wale no au e kokua.
Ole pēne.
Ana wale no oia ike I nei, kona moku kane.
The other renegades have elected to resist with violence. Therefore, no quarter will be given. You are to shoot on sight any and all fugitives, regardless of weapon, gender, or age.
Sir, that goes against our directives from Honolulu.
Those are your new orders, Sergeant!
You say that you talked to him. How was that?
How is what?
How is that? You are still alive.
I believe a Ko'olau is a man of some principle.
I see, Marshal. The man with a conscience is far easier to break. It's that 1/8 of a second's hesitation that seals his fate.
I can't imagine that Quantrell had much of a conscience.
Quantrell? Oh, he was a sick bastard. Cold-hearted killer. But he did love his horse. So I set a trap to break his horse's leg. And that put him in the right mind for me to give him his medicine. These are from President Dole. Have a look. Evidently, the international press has got wind of our little engagement in the jungle. Embarrassing for all of us, wouldn't you say? Disappointment.
Captain, I am committed to seeing this through. But I will not play part in murdering women and children.
You speak of murder. You are a man of conscience. I'll try not to hold it against you. And I hope it's not what ends here. Marshal.
Ohe o makau e make kia manawa.
Ko mea nui. E mi mua ka ko e ola e kale. O ke kuliana o ke kāne. O ia hoi ke kiai. A ho o lako no ko ka ko o hana.
Make au e lilo I koa e like me oe papa.
E ki mai ana ko wā e kare mana. A ka haole ki ala.
Holau. O ia kela. Kanaka no no ka aila o ola.
E ka lua I ko lau. Hawi ko I noa I kai a mākou. Ka paia nā po I ko pūlai pala ka ho kū o ka maki.
O lave mai oi ka lao.
Ai anō makalihi kai. Ke alia nei ke kauka no I nia makamoku. Pono ka kou e haalele koke.
Hia po e hiki ke hele.
Ua hai ia vau e lava. Ana ka kou a pau.
Aole. O ka ne ana ma ke ela au I ke ala a kau. Me nā po e he nui. E pāwali ana no. E ne ana ka ko ma nā hui e lua. Ke hoi mai ke hui mua. E hele au kū ka ko. Ma ke kahi ala e ae.
E mai kai e ai ho I ka ia.
A e pā e ke one. E hone ka.
Aloha! Drop your weapon. So, Patch. What do you have for me? Yeah? Where's Kualau?
He will split the travelers into two. There's nothing I could do.
All right. Have his way. I don't understand.
Why don't you enlighten your friend? That's close enough.
O hiki wau ka la au. I nā ko kua wau. Ia pele ki kena tō. Ike oe. O lero la kou hea lili I loa wale no. E hui kala mai au. O moe moe a la kou e lathe ia oe ka pane la au. E iki mai ana ka la au I lailai ka kaila.
There's no medicine for us. From East India. No boat on shore.
Here's your medicine. Go tell Kulau what you've seen here today. Go!
Send us down a big trail to nowhere so that you could butcher these people? That's Judge Kauai. He's a father of 6! You shot a woman in the head point blank?
Marshal. From now on, you and the rifles stay flank towards the coast.
Leave the bodies! They are bait!
Kaluna kana vai. Omake. Oke ave lawa o perch ke kahi. O lako pa kahi au pau. O ki pua make. A o he lapa au. Perele no ia.
Ko'olau.
Enoho. Enoho. Elave. Ukia kaupena. Ikiala.
E ka ukane. E lawe ia kamu me oe.
Aole! O nā pale no oia.
A ole o mai. Hiki a uke ele me oe.
E noho maa nei a maa lama I ke kane.
I'm in command now. This is over.
There is a season for the gentle breezes. There is a season for the blustery winds. There is a season for the rains to drench. There is a season for all the seasons. Death. Our precious son, Kalei, was the first to return to the one that made him. Not long after, in the middle of the night, the light in the house that was Ko'olau was extinguished. My husband and son had found their true place of refuge. Our sacred oath was honored and fulfilled. No man, no government could break the bonds of marriage and family. There is a name that shall never be forgotten in Hawaii. A name that means stands against the wind, but also now means brave watcher. Ko'olau. Farewell to thee, brave watcher of the cliffs. Farewell for now, my love.